Learn 5 new C1 words today. Meaning, examples, and a short story for each word. Boost your vocabulary and take your English to the next level. Let's begin with the first word of day 7. Endeavor. A serious attempt to do something challenging, requiring determination and hard work. Synonyms: effort, undertaking, struggle.
Climbing Mount Everest is a challenging endeavor. Her endeavor to master French took years of practice. Building this bridge was a huge engineering endeavor.
After months of planning, Olivia finally started her ambitious endeavor to create a sustainable fashion brand. At first, progress was slow, but she kept pushing forward. Eventually, her endeavor paid off, attracting attention from investors and eco-conscious customers. Could you create a sentence using endeavor? Write it in the comments. Contemplate. To spend time thinking deeply and carefully about something, especially before making an important decision or taking action. Synonyms: consider, reflect on, ponder.
The company contemplated moving the office to another city. He contemplated marriage but wasn't ready yet. Before quitting her job, she contemplated the risks.
David contemplated starting his own company for months, weighing each risk and reward. Friends warned him it was bold and perhaps unrealistic. Yet, after many sleepless nights, he finally took the leap, and within a year his vision grew into a stable business. Have you been contemplating anything important these days? Write it in the comments. Eligible. Having the right to do or receive something, meeting the necessary requirements. Synonyms: qualified, fit, entitled, suitable.
All employees are eligible for health insurance. You're not eligible for a refund after 30 days. Only UK citizens are eligible to vote in a referendum.
Leo had been painting for years but never showed his work. One day he read that young artists were eligible for a national art competition. Nervous yet excited, he submitted his work and his painting was displayed in a gallery. Subsequently, after something else has happened. Later, afterward.
He graduated and subsequently moved to London. She visited Italy and subsequently wrote a book. She studied law and subsequently became a judge.
The researchers tested a new treatment on a small group of patients. They subsequently observed significant improvements in recovery times. The results were later published in a leading medical journal, gaining international attention. Cut to the chase. To skip all the details and get directly to the main point or important part. Synonyms: get to the point, go straight to the heart of the matter, not beat around the bush.
Let's cut to the chase. What's the real problem here? Let's cut to the chase and sign the contract today. Can we cut to the chase and start the meeting now?
The quarterly meeting was filled with endless slides about colors, fonts, and logos. Finally, the director said, "Let's cut to the chase. Are we hitting our revenue goals or not?" The room went silent, and suddenly everyone focused on the numbers that truly mattered. Today we've learned endeavor, contemplate, eligible, subsequently, cut to the chase. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.